up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make an airsoft grenade. Really easy. Really easy. All you need is a balloon, a water balloon, BBs. If you don't have like this type bottle, then you're going to need a speed loader or a straw, but this gives the perfect amount just for a little bit. Alright, it's going to connect it to it, and then I squeeze air into it and shake it. No. And probably enough. You can get more than this, but okay, I spilled some BBs. And I only have a little left. That just sucks. For me, not you. But yeah, and then you're going to fill out some water.
Did Dad text me at all?
No, I don't think so. Fill it with some water. I can't have that camera by the phone, by the water. So just fill it with some water. And then do not, if you have like a, whoops, it exploded. Oopsies. Give me a second, I'll refill it, okay? I'll refill it since this video can be a long video. I'm just going to, I'm going to do this really fast.
Making a video?
Yep. Okay. Filled it this much. You can fill it more. Right? And then I'm
Travis, get my phone away from that water.
hold on. Is that Jerry?
Yeah, it sounds like he's rocking out.
I still have my. It's hard to feel it with this hose. I'm using a. Okay. I filled about. Hold on. Don't leave yet. Please don't leave. Alright, and then you're just going to fill it about that much. Okay, I'm going to just pray for a way. I'm not sure if you're going to see views for that much. Mom, will you hold this and point it that way? Will you hold this and point it that way? Point it that way. Yeah. Over a little more.
What are you trying to get in?
No, I'm going to use it. Did you get that?
No, you had me pointing it there. It went over there.